Max. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, nandito po tayo sa San Sebastian, sa Minor Basilica of San Sebastian, dito po sa Quiapo, Manila. Alam niyo ba na ang San Sebastian Church ay ang kauna-unahang steel church dito sa Pilipinas, at dito rin ginaganap ang dunga tuwing kapistahan ng itim na Nazareno. Ngayon, sa video na ito ay papasukin natin ang dambana ng Nuestra Señora del Carmen, at ito ang first time ko na makapunta dito sa simbahang ito. Tara po, pasukin po natin ang dambana ng Virgen del Carmen, o mas kilala bilang Reyna ng Quiapo. Pasukin po natin. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tara na po! Subukan po nating makapasok, guys. Kaya lang po ay may kinakasal po sa loob.
There will be no greater things that will happen to your life as husband and wife, and soon to be fathers and mothers to your children. That's why, my dear friends, pray together, live together, and walk together. That's how you are to make your married life more meaningful ahead. Of course, God is the number one that you should prioritize. And in the responsorial psalm, it is said, "The earth is full of the goodness of the Lord." You are part of the goodness of the Lord. Claim it.
We will now have the marriage rite. May we invite the principal sponsors to please stand, bride and groom to stand, the rest to remain seated.
Favor from your servants, granted to remain faithful to you and to one another. At the end of the long and well-spent life, reward them with eternal happiness, together with their children and
Please stand.
brothers and sisters, at my sacrifice and yours may be acceptable to God, Almighty Father.
May the Lord accept the sacrifice of the hands for the praise and glory of His name. Lord,
So, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating vlog. So, dahil hindi po tayo masyado nakapag-vlog sa loob ng simbahan, dahil po may kinakasal, at least po nakapasok po kami sa simbahan, at napakasya ko rin po, at unang beses ko pa rin po nakabisita dito sa Minor Basilica ng San Sebastian, o dambana ng Nuestra Señora del Carmen de San Sebastian. Ayun lang lamang. Maraming salamat po. Goodbye. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe. Abangan nyo rin po ang aming mga susunod na videos. Bye!